A computer motherboard connects all hardware components, enabling stable performance, expandability, and efficient system communication. My today's video is about top 5 best computer motherboard that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at GIGABYTE Computer Motherboard. This AMD AM4 motherboard is an excellent foundation for building or upgrading a high-performance desktop. Designed to support AMD Ryzen 5000, Ryzen 4000, and Ryzen 3000 series processors, it delivers reliable performance for gaming, content creation, and everyday computing. Its digital 10 plus 3-phase VRM with premium chokes and capacitors ensures stable power delivery, even during demanding workloads or overclocking. Advanced thermal protection, including enlarged VRM heatsinks and 5W/MK thermal pads, helps maintain optimal temperatures for consistent performance. The board supports up to 4 DDR4 memory modules with AMD Expo compatibility, allowing faster memory speeds and improved system responsiveness. Connectivity is equally impressive, featuring PCIe 4.0 for next-generation graphics and storage, dual M.2 slots for high-speed SSDs, integrated Wi-Fi 6, 1 GB LAN, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and a USB Type-C port. With a pre-installed I/O shield simplifying installation, this motherboard offers an excellent balance of performance, cooling, expandability, and value for modern PC builds. Now our second product is Asus Computer Motherboard. This Asus AM4 motherboard is a solid choice for building a reliable gaming or productivity PC powered by 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors. Featuring PCIe 4.0 support, it delivers exceptional performance for modern graphics cards and ultra-fast NVMe SSDs. The board includes a reinforced PCIe 4.0 x16 safe slot, dual M.2 slots, integrated Wi-Fi 6, 1 gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and versatile display outputs including HDMI 2.1, DVI, and D-Sub, ensuring excellent connectivity for a wide range of setups. Comprehensive cooling solutions, including dedicated VRM and chipset heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and Asus Fan Expert 2, help maintain stable temperatures during demanding workloads. Asus 5X Protection 3 enhances durability with advanced safeguards against electrical damage, while OptiMEM technology improves memory stability and enables higher DDR4 performance with lower voltage. Combining speed, reliability, and premium features, this motherboard is an excellent foundation for gamers, content creators, and everyday PC users seeking long-term performance and value. Our third product is Micro Center Computer Motherboard. This AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D and GIGABYTE X870 Gaming Wi-Fi 6 Motherboard Bundle is an outstanding platform for enthusiasts seeking top-tier gaming and productivity performance. Powered by AMD's Zen 5 architecture with next-generation 3D V-Cache technology, the 8-core, 16-thread Ryzen 7 9800X3D reaches boost speeds up to 5.2 GHz, delivering exceptional frame rates and responsiveness in modern games. The AM5-based X870 motherboard complements the processor with DDR5 memory support up to 256 GB, PCIe 5.0 for next-generation graphics and storage, 3 M.2 slots for SATA ports, dual USB 4 Type-C ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3 for outstanding connectivity. Its digital twin 8+2+2-phase VRM ensures stable power delivery, while AMD Expo support unlocks faster memory performance. Builder-friendly features such as easy latch tool-free PCIe and M.2 installation, screwless heatsinks, and an intuitive BIOS simplify system assembly and upgrades. Overall, this combination offers cutting-edge speed, future-ready expandability, and premium features for gamers, creators, and power users. Now number 4, ASRock Computer Motherboard. This AMD AM4 motherboard is a dependable choice for users building or upgrading a high-performance desktop. Supporting AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000G series, 5000, and 5000G series processors, it offers broad compatibility for gaming, productivity, and everyday computing. With support for DDR4 memory speeds up to 4733 MHz, overclocked, the motherboard delivers faster data access, improved multitasking, and enhanced system responsiveness. Its robust 8-phase DG power design provides stable and efficient power delivery, helping maintain consistent performance during intensive workloads and overclocking sessions. The optimized power architecture also contributes to long-term reliability and system stability. While it is not compatible with AMD Athlon processors, it is an excellent match for Ryzen-based builds that require dependable performance and upgrade flexibility. Whether you're assembling a gaming PC, a content creation workstation, or a reliable home computer, this motherboard combines strong power delivery, high-speed memory support, and proven AM4 compatibility to deliver excellent value and dependable performance. And our last choice is MSI Computer Motherboard. This AMD motherboard is a powerful, future-ready platform designed for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series desktop processors. Built to handle demanding gaming, content creation, and multitasking workloads, it combines cutting-edge performance with premium connectivity. The integrated USB 4 port delivers blazing fast data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, making it ideal for high-speed storage devices, external displays, and professional peripherals. Its extended PWM heatsink and enhanced power circuitry provide excellent thermal management, allowing high-end processors to maintain peak performance even under heavy loads. A built-in 5G LAN controller ensures ultra-fast, low-latency wired networking for smooth online gaming, streaming, and large file transfers. Audio Boost 5 enhances the listening experience with isolated circuitry and a high-quality audio processor, producing clear, immersive sound for games and multimedia. Combining advanced cooling, high-speed connectivity, premium audio, and next-generation Ryzen compatibility, this motherboard is an excellent choice for enthusiasts building a high-performance, upgrade-ready PC. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.